Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I am going to talk about my today's activities. Firstly, thanks Almighty Allah for giving me an opportunity to take this advantage. My today's activities is physical exercise. You know that physical exercise is so essential for your body and mind. For considering this importance of physical exercise, then I have decided to take this physical exercise successfully so that I can fit body and mind. Actually, I start my physical exercise after performing my Fajr prayer. I have chosen this place. This place name is Sheikh Mujib Hall Dormitories, Sorup, uh, University of Dhaka. You see that this type of beautiful natural beauty in front of our hall. So my today's physical exercise is so important to me because I I take my spoken English preparation during taking physical exercise. Alhamdulillah, I can breathe fresh air, and that's so awesome. Uh, Alhamdulillah, thanks Almighty Allah for giving.